In 1894, the Synkoloid Company was founded in New Jersey. It manufactured paint, varnishes, and wood finishing products, many of which contained asbestos starting around 1949. Two better-known asbestos products by Synkoloid were Easy Text and Texwall, but the company would go on to add at least 15 asbestos-containing products to its line over the decades. These asbestos products included joint compound, bonding materials, paint, varnishes, and plasters. Construction and demolition workers, painters, factory workers, and shipyard workers are some of the trades that would have routinely encountered and risked being exposed to Synkoloid asbestos products. The company reportedly stopped using asbestos by the mid-1970s. ARTRA Group Inc. acquired Synkoloid and a good portion of its asbestos injury liabilities in 1975. Reportedly, at least 3 products manufactured under ARTRA Group still contained asbestos until around 1981. Struggling to keep up with litigation, ARTRA Group filed for its Chapter 11 bankruptcy in the Northern District of Illinois in 2002. 5 years later, in 2007, the ARTRA Asbestos Trust was established. According to the most recent annual financial report filed by the trust, roughly $380,000 was paid out to claimants in 2022. The majority of the claims paid were for those individuals who had serious asbestos illnesses, including mesothelioma. The payment percentage was recently changed from 0.5% to 0.6%, which reflects the amount of the scheduled payment value that is paid out to claimants depending on their injury. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.